How to mirror or cast Android phone screen to Android Auto. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will see how we can mirror Android phone screen to Android Auto. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. But before that, your Android phone must have Android Auto installed. Also, Android Auto apps downloaded or installed and a car with Android Studio support. Also, root access to unlock all the features, which is an optional as well. So to get started, first of all, you have to install the APK that is AAAD. Simply, you can install it from the official website. So open up Google, search for AAAD. After that, head towards the official website and you have to install the APK. Once you have installed the APK in your device, you have to open up AAAD, that is AAAD. After you open it up, you will see a list of supported applications like Screen to Auto, Format Auto, Car Stream, etc. There, tap on Screen to Auto and it will download and install for you. Once you have done that, you have to enable developer mode in your Android device. After you have enabled your developer mode, you have to launch Screen to Auto application on your phone. Then you have to provide all the necessary permissions to the applications. Once you're done with that, now you can connect to your car. Plug your phone into the car via USB. Then you have to open up Android Auto on your car screen. Then you should see Screen to Auto in your application list. Then finally tap it to start mirroring your phone. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.